Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to enjoy Roblox and Zepeto, clarifying their relationship. It's important to understand that Roblox and Zepeto are separate applications, each with its own unique virtual world and experiences. You cannot directly play Roblox games inside the Zepeto app, nor can you play Zepeto within Roblox. They operate independently, offering distinct ways to connect and create. To experience both platforms, simply download each app onto your mobile device or computer. You'll find Roblox and Zepeto available in major app stores. Once installed, launch each application individually to dive into their respective virtual worlds. You can switch between them to enjoy the diverse games, social interactions, and creative tools each platform offers. It's easy to navigate both. While you can't directly merge the games, you can certainly share your creative spirit. Customize your avatar in Roblox with countless outfits and accessories, and do the same in Zepeto. Many users enjoy creating similar looks or themes across both platforms. You can also share screenshots or videos of your unique avatars and experiences on social media, connecting your two virtual lives. Despite being separate, Roblox and Zepeto share core similarities. Both are vibrant social platforms where you can connect with friends and meet new people from around the world. They empower users to express their creativity, whether through designing unique avatars, building virtual spaces, or participating in user-generated content. Explore the vast possibilities and enjoy the diverse communities each platform provides.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.